Welcome back, legends. This is your boy from Biker Wish, and today we're bringing pure muscle, pure madness, and pure motorcycling attitude to your screen. The Yamaha VMAX 1700 V4 2026. If power had a face, if torque had a heartbeat, if adrenaline had a body, it would look exactly like this machine. So buckle up, because this is not a bike. This is a beast on two wheels. Now listen, the moment you look at the VMAX, you already know it's not here to be polite. It's not here to be fuel efficient. It's not here to make friends. It's here to dominate. That wide stance, the aggressive muscle bike posture, the low-slung profile, this thing looks like it wants to fight the road. Yamaha didn't design this bike to follow trends. They designed it to scare other bikes. Let's talk heart first, because that's where the madness lives. The 1700cc V4 in the 2026 VMAX is pure mechanical violence in the best way possible. This isn't smooth power, this is explosive power. The kind that grabs your soul, slams you into the seat, and whispers, "Hold on, champ." Twist the throttle and boom! Instant torque, brutal acceleration, and a roar that sounds like thunder mixed with war drums. This is the kind of bike that doesn't accelerate, it launches. And that sound? Oh man, that deep V4 growl isn't noise, it's music for real bikers. It's the kind of exhaust note that makes people turn their heads before they even see you. The kind that makes cars move out of your lane. The kind that makes your heartbeat sync with the engine rhythm. That's VMAX energy. The 2026 design upgrades take it even further. Sharper body lines, more aggressive tank styling, modern LED lighting, and that signature muscle bike identity that still screams VMAX from a mile away. It's old school muscle mixed with new school tech, and that combo is dangerous. Handling? Don't get it twisted. This beast isn't just about straight line power. The suspension setup, wide tires, and low center of gravity keep it planted. It feels heavy, yes, but in a powerful way, like a loaded weapon, stable, confident, dominant. You don't ride a VMAX casually, you command it. The riding position is pure alpha energy. Low seat, stretched arms, chest forward, like a fighter ready for battle. This bike doesn't say comfortable touring, it says let's hunt asphalt. And here's the spicy truth. The Yamaha VMAX is not for everyone. This isn't a beginner bike. This isn't a commuter bike. This isn't a Sunday grocery run bike. This is for riders who love power, who respect torque, who want adrenaline, not excuses, who want fear mixed with fun. If you're scared of power, stay away. If you respect power, welcome to the club. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700 V4 is not trying to compete with sport bikes, cruisers, or nakeds. It lives in its own category, the muscle bike king category. No competition, no comparison, just domination. This bike is a statement, a lifestyle, a personality, an attitude on wheels. And that's what we love here at Biker Wish, machines that don't just move you, they change you. So if you're a real rider, a power lover, a torque addict, and an adrenaline junkie, the VMAX isn't just a bike for you, it's your spirit animal on two wheels. If you felt this energy, smash that like button, subscribe to Biker Wish, and join the Real Rider family, because here, we don't just talk bikes, we live them. Till next ride, stay wild, stay powerful, and ride like a legend. Biker Wish, where machines meet madness.
So like the video and subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends.